Today I'll show you how to install your Nuki Smart Lock Ultra. Let's see what's inside the box. Hey everyone, I'm David. I'm going to show you how to install your Nuki Smart Lock Ultra on your door. If your current cylinder does not allow you to turn your key from the outside if there's already a key on the inside, this is the perfect solution for you. We're going to start by downloading and opening the free Nuki app and going from there. You can add your smart lock by pressing the button for 5 seconds. The app will automatically show you the specific mounting instructions for your smart lock model. Those will guide you through the entire mounting process step by step. Let's move on to the door. First, measure the overhang of your existing cylinder on both sides of the door using the measurement card. Now, we'll remove your existing cylinder. Loosen the retaining screw first. Then, insert your key, turn it slightly and pull the cylinder out. Measure the inner and outer length of your old cylinder. Use the Nuki app to calculate the ideal size of the universal cylinder to fit your door. The Nuki app tells you how to adapt the inner and outer length of your cylinder. Now adapt the universal cylinder to the correct length as advised by the app. Next, use the correct mounting screw to secure the modules and mounting plate. Now remove the fixing screw and you're ready to go. Insert the fully assembled cylinder into your door. Tighten the retaining screw. Then test it by turning the key on the outside. Now place the yellow adapter on the mounting plate. Besides, you can change the base ring so that the color fits to your door. Make sure the small notch is at the top, not the charging connector, and turn it right so the Nuki logo is centered. Now, simply mount your Nuki Smart Lock Ultra until it clicks into place. We're ready to continue in the app. You'll be asked what kind of door you have. Selecting the matching option will configure the default actions properly for your door. You can also change this later in the settings. Last step to breathe life into your smart lock is the calibration. The smart lock will drive all the way in both directions to get to know your door. Make sure to hold the door closed as it might jump open when the latch is pulled. That's it. Your Smart Lock Ultra is ready to use. The built-in battery of Smart Lock Ultra should last at least 6 months with a single charge. You can charge it by simply attaching the charging cable to the magnetic port on the bottom. You can also charge it off the door. Just simply push the side button and twist to the left. After plugging in the charging cable, make sure to press the main button within 15 seconds to deactivate automatic actions like auto unlock. That's how you charge it off door. After around 2 hours, your smart lock is fully charged and you can put it back on by twisting it the other way around. To get the absolute most out of your new door companion, check out the Nuki app. You'll find all features like remote access, user management or the activity log in there. Or head over to nuki.io or our YouTube channel for more helpful guides.